You want a better way of life. You yearn to have a better way of life. You have dreams. You have aspirations. You need cash money to get you to the place you want to be. So many people are incessantly searching for a better life. Some define that a better life for them would be something that would offer them more travel, a better home, a nicer car, pay off debt, make passive income or extra spending money. There are also those who are searching for something that would simply help them survive. There are many who seek for a way to enrich their well-being, but simply do not have the extra fund or any other resource to actually invest in any sort of profitable venture. Experience shows that there is risk when jumping into a program, or process, or any number of opportunities. A practical direction one might consider is affiliate marketing. There are so many success stories of people who have made a considerable income as affiliate marketers because there they have found that opportunity that fits them. Moreover, for beginners, affiliate marketing is a great place to start. It provides an opportunity with a system which requires little experience, money, and/or know-how. If this aspiration fits you, I invite you to an informative webinar presented by John Crestani. John is the creator of Super Affiliate System. He is a successful entrepreneur who is actively helping more people find a program to move them forward by becoming more knowledgeable of marketing practices and sell more products using the model of affiliate marketing. Super Affiliate System is the ultimate blueprint. It is a great resource in starting a home-based, anywhere in the world, affiliate marketing business. If you are seriously looking for additional income, if you are looking for a system that includes the best tools and resources to jumpstart your affiliate marketing odyssey, then sign up for this informative webinar. Go here now and enjoy a promising future. Its potential is truly a chance of a lifetime.